Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube. Welcome, I'm so glad to see you. Today we are doing a good old-fashioned thrift haul, so I'm so glad you're joining me. If you're new, I'm a part-time reseller. I've been reselling for 10 years on eBay. I also sell on Etsy, to Thredup, and Poshmark. I went to a local charity shop. I've really been trying to stay away from Goodwill, you guys, because the prices have just become so crazy and expensive. And I know from some of my last videos where I've been talking about this, it's happening where you are too. So I'm really trying to branch out and find some church stores and some other stores. This was such a great, fun store. I think I got a great deal on stuff. There was a lovely young woman working there, and she said at the register, like,
you know, I'm gonna charge you $3.99 instead of $7.99 because you're buying so many pants and I don't want it to cost too much for you.
And I'm like, that's fantastic. Okay, that was pretty crazy. So many times at these little thrift stores that are not the name brand Goodwill or Salvation Army, they're just like a church or a charity store. So much of it depends on who rings you up. Like this young girl was so nice and she was like, oh, you're getting so many pairs of pants. Why don't I charge you $3.99 instead of $5.99? I'm like, great, works for me. So she was just really good. She charged me $1 for the sports bra. And I didn't, maybe it wasn't priced $4 for shoes. For me, that is such a good deal. I usually don't get things that cheap here. So let me show you the haul so we can look at things more in detail. I found a couple BOLO items that are just blowing my mind. I'm so happy to share them with you. Let's go. So in shoes, I got clothes. Shoes were $4, and I have a pair of BOLO. I cannot believe I found boots in here. So grab your coffee or your tea or your wine. Let's learn about some brands together that sell really well online on eBay and Poshmark. This first pair of shoes I bought for myself, they're by the brand Born. Do you guys love that brand? Looks like this. I love the brand Born. The quality is there and they're reasonably priced. I just ordered on eBay for myself 2 pairs of Born shoes, and I got these. These are like a classic Oxford. So I got these for myself and she only charged me $4. Let's get into it. I have dresses, I have jeans, I've got, look at this, I've got designer. I've got designer in here. So we are gonna have a very, very good time, friends, if I can get anything out of this box. Look at that, I just hit myself in the face with my pants. Let me just say right off, if you are new, join me and the regulars at the end of the video where I put the bloopers and we just laugh at how ridiculous I am as I try and make thrift haul videos. Okay, let's get into some pants. I'm going to put the price chart in the video because it's less than Goodwill. So I'll put somewhere like what I paid for things. This is a pair of Madewell jeans. I love selling Madewell denim. These are the high riser skinny in a size 30. Will I try these on? Probably. I'm probably more like a 32 in life right now. I've got to go on a health kick because I might be going to Mexico in March if everything works out. Back to Mexico. And I would like to drop a few pounds. Are you with me? These are gorgeous. Like I don't know that I've thrifted a pair of Madewell jeans in such good shape. I used to think I could get like 50 or 60 for Madewell, but I think I'm really getting like 35-ish depending on the style. So, okay, these are Pure Jill by J. Jill. I got these because they're an XL tall. I love selling J. Jill. I know people don't think all that much of it, but especially the Love Linen line or the Pure Jill where they use higher quality fabrics. And a size XL tall, pull-on black pants, super soft. I mean, those will sell really fast for me, guys. This I want for myself. I love this particular pair of pants by Athleta. I do not know the name of them, but I have them in 2 other colors. These are too big for me, but I'm going to keep them anyway. This is kind of a more modern Athleta tag. These are a size 14, and they're like a pull-on jogger pants with these zippers. PD calls them my travel pants because whenever we fly, I wear them because they look decent enough, but they're still super, super comfortable. If any of you are wondering about this top that I'm wearing, I get many comments about the tops. This is one of my favorite brands. It's XCVI, which is sometimes sold at Anthropologie, but not always. And my mom got me this one for Christmas. Grateful Babette. I love it. She knows exactly what I like. Oh my gosh, I did really well on this thrift haul, you guys. This is Vince. V-I-N-C-E. It's sold at Nordstrom. It's very, very pricey. I'm talking like a couple $100s for a pair of pants. These are a size 8. They're kind of a heavier knit, like a ponte knit, skinny women's pants. And they have the seam detail, like a seam all the way down the back. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love my thrift haul videos, and I appreciate any of you guys who watch them. They do not perform as well for me on YouTube as, say, my unboxings, but still where my heart is with thrifting. Let's see what, I mean, I have some really good stuff in here. These are Eileen Fisher, size small, and I will send these to Thredup. Why? Because Eileen Fisher sells okay for me. I could probably get 35 or 40 bucks for these pull-on heavy weight women's pants, but if I send them to Thredup, I'll probably make that same amount, but they'll do all the work for me. So that's one of the few brands that I just send right into Thredup now. These are the coolest pants. They're by the brand Poetry. They are a size 10. I pulled out my phone and looked these up. You guys, this store was so packed. I'm sure I'm going to include footage of the store, and it's like, it was hard to move the racks. It was like, there was so much stuff in this store. And as always with my thrift haul videos, I'll be sure to insert some footage of me inside the thrift store so you can see what my thrift stores here in Northern California look like. This one was packed. They had so much inventory. So I'm glad she gave me some good deals on things, because thrift stores, listen up. You need to move your inventory. You've got free inventory in there that people donated. You've got tons of it. Sell it cheaper and more people will buy it. That's like my public service announcement to thrift stores. These are so like hipster. They're super, super high waist with these exposed buttons and pockets, and it looks like I can probably get like 40 bucks for these. They're kind of like mom style, you know, really high-waisted corduroys. Are these the designer pants? Yes, these are. I looked these up. It is going to be extremely difficult to see this tag, friend, because it's black on black. It's Annette Gartz, G-A-R-T-Z. It has like a leather tag, black on black. Whenever I see an interesting tag, I just look it up. These are very expensive designer pants, high-waisted black, again with the seam details. And, oh, here we go. I can show you this tag. Okay, so it says Annette Gartz, made in Germany, 38. So when I see an interesting tag, when I see Euro sizing, then I'm like, oh, Quemby, take an extra minute with your phone and look it up. See, 38 and made in Germany. So I'll pop up on the screen some comps. Now it looks like we're moving on to some other stuff. Dresses here, I believe, were only like $5.99, where at Goodwill they're 10. So I got this brand I was staying away from. I just thought, I didn't know it still had resale value. But then I know some of my other friends like Kelly Schaffner. Check out her channel at Kelly Schaffner. She and I have done some collabs. She's amazing. She was talking about this brand Fresh Produce, and she still picks it up. I didn't know it still had value, but I got this one because it's a size large. Large dresses for me will sell, you guys. My extra small dresses bin. My small dresses been overflowing, but large pants, large dresses, large tops, they're nearly empty. This is just a cute sundress. This is an Everlane dress. Excuse me, this needs to go through the wash. I'm pulling this stuff right out of the bag. I didn't steam or clean or anything, but this is Everlane. I love selling this brand. Men's, women's, Everlane sells. And there's just sweat on the tag, but this is a kind of like a shirt dress in gray, and I'll wash that right up. I'll put it in a different pile right now. I'll sell this myself. Just a classic summer shift dress by a great brand. What's this? See, I don't even remember. This was a few weeks ago, and what I do is I put the bag or the box in my garage, which is where I have all my inventory and reselling stuff. I wish I had a room like some of you do. I don't. I use my garage. And then I wait till I can film it. So this has been sitting in there for a few weeks. Oh, this is Soft Surroundings, and it's a size medium. This brand does pretty well in the $20 to $40 range, depending on the piece. I thought this was a good piece for the brand because it's oversized. I guess it's a sweater or a sweater dress. And it has that asymmetrical step hem there, and it's just like really nice. So I have to do a little de-pilling. I see a few pills just under the armpit, to be expected. But often with this brand, in the body of the garment right here, there's a style number, 29V23. So I'll look it up and see if I can get the name and see, is this a sweater dress or just a long tunic sweater? This is a brand. Do you guys find this brand? I find it in California a lot. It's designed in San Francisco. It's what I'd call a lag and look brand. A layering, artsy style brand. The brand is Cut Loose. It just sells really great. The bigger size, the better. This is a medium, and it's like a little tunic dress. And it has like a little interesting hemline there, asymmetrical, total lag and look. Someone will layer this with some wide leg pants or some leggings and a big chunky necklace, maybe another layer on top. That's probably a $35 one. Oh, I love this. Do you guys look in the sports, not the sports bra section. It's like the sleepwear, lingerie, bra, sports bra section. That's how my thrift stores do it. And I saw this and I just loved the print on there. It's sort of like a watercolor print, a little bit blurry sports bra. And I wasn't familiar with it, so I looked it up, and this is an Anthropologie brand, sold at Anthropologie. The brand is Pure and Good. Looks like this. I was like, this just looks like quality. It's interesting, beautiful. So I looked it up, and it's an Anthropologie brand. So I think she charged me $1 for this. She was such a sweetie. So this sports bra, what size is it? XL? I think it's an XL, so that's awesome. Yeah, XL. Okay, here are the Bolo boots. I'm just like, and she charged me $4. Look at these, okay? These are cowboy boots, I guess. Cowgirl boots, brown, suede, and they have these gold details. And I'm like, these just look nice. So I always look at the bottom of the shoe. And I see here that it's a leather sole. Now think about the cost to make a genuine leather sole. It cost more. And on them it says, made in Italy, 36. Shoes made in Italy, made in Spain, made in Portugal, I'm usually picking up, see that there? And they have some wear, but you're going to expect that with a leather sole. You can take a little fine sandpaper if you want to and kind of smooth it out. I looked these up. The brand, I don't know, O Torino Bossi, but probably really with a sexy Italian accent. Here's what it looks like. The reason I looked these up is because it said made in Italy, and they just looked and felt amazing. These are expensive boots. I'll pop up the comps here. Here's another Bolo brand. These have some issues, but for $4. I went up to the register. I'm like, well, some of the shoes were marked, but most weren't. And she said $4. I said, oh, like, how much would these be? She said $4. I'm like, okay. Do you guys know this brand, Hogan? I had not heard of it. But these just kind of had, I don't know, a certain look to me where I thought these look kind of cool. Now, the more I look at them, they definitely have some damage. Like, I'm not going to be able to get a lot of this out. I clean shoes and I can get a lot out. The inside is just gorgeous. They just looked like something kind of special. See that? So I'm going to have to list them as having some issues. But again, I'll put comps up. This might be a good brand to keep your eye out for. This last pair of shoes kind of breaks my heart. This is also by the brand Born. These were $4. I love this brand, you guys. The reason I love it is because it's so comfortable. So comfortable. And I can buy, I'm a size 8. I can buy almost any Born shoe online and know it's going to fit. I owned these exact Gladiator sandals. They have been my favorite sandals. I wore them into the ground. I have not been able to find them. I love that they have a zipper in the back. I'm a size 8. These are a 9. They're the most comfortable shoe. They look so cute with dresses, pants. and I can't find them anymore. And these are in really good shape, you know, a little bit of wear, but nothing major. I'm gonna try it on right now and report back. Oh, they're too big. Bummer. All in all, fantastic haul. I love hearing from you in the comments. I respond to every comment that I get, so please be sure to say hi in the comments, introduce yourself, and I'll see you in the next video, friends. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye. Let's do it. Let's do some thrift hauling. Thrift hauling. Quemby. All right, let's get into some pants. I gotta sort this out because I won't be able to grab. Oh, I think I got these for me. I love selling Madewell denim. Try it again. I need water. I'm excited. I'm talking a lot, and my mouth is dry. Okay. Stress. Oops. There we go. The little thing on my screen was saying we're not tracking your face, and when that happens, it can be blurry. I love hearing you. Pretty good video.